The good people of Sapele Local Government Area will heave a sigh of relief when they discover that the Sapele Central Hospital now have a standard holding room for suspected cases of the dreaded coronavirus, COVID-19. The workaholic executive chairman of Sapele Local Government Area, Honorable Chief Eugene Inoaghan, accompanied by the fiery Reverend Father Christopher Ekabo, and the Vice Chairman, Honorable Vincent Ayomanor, today, 26th of March, 2020, visited the Sapele Central Hospital to inspect the standard holding room for suspected cases of coronavirus. On arrival, they were welcomed by the Chief Medical Director of the Sapele Central Hospital, Dr. Ogbimi, who took them round the wards, while explaining the state of the facility and the level of preparedness of his team in dealing with suspected cases of COVID-19. He said that the ward is to serve as a holding room for suspected cases of coronavirus, those that meet the criteria for suspected cases definition. He stated that if any such patient is discovered in the hospital, following standard protocol, that patient would be moved to the holding ward. And at the holding ward, the protocol for management will be activated. And this will involve informing all the relevant agencies from the local government level to the state level. He also stated that at the holding ward, they will adhere strictly to standard protocol while appropriate sample are collected by trained personnel. The sample would then be sent to the appropriate laboratory for testing. And if negative, such patient would be discharged from the holding ward to the appropriate ward for treatment. However, if positive, the patient, following standard protocol, would then be moved to the closest treatment center for isolation and treatment. Meanwhile, immediately the positive patient is moved from the holding ward, the ward would then be disinfected following standard protocol by the trained personnel. Responding, both the chairman and Reverend Father Ekabo simultaneously expressed satisfaction for the standard facility provided by the management of the hospital to deal with suspected cases of the dreaded coronavirus, COVID-19. They prayed that no known case would be found in Sapele Local Government Area. Others present during the visit are, the Supervisory Counselor for Health, Honorable Moses Tajaruo, Sapele Primary Healthcare Secretary, Dr. R.K. Abeka and a host of others. Sapele is indeed in safe hands.